Alright, Yogi Clan, welcome back for the third and final video today. I am soaked, it is hot, I am dirty, it is sweaty, but fishtails. I love these fishtails. I got them, probably got about 35,000 miles on them, and they sound good, but the chrome is really pretty cheap. Got them for like 150 bucks off of Amazon. When we take them off, I'll show you, but here, let me take the bags off so you can see. Alright y'all, not sure if you can see that. There's a lot of pitting in here and a lot of pitting on here. When we get these pipes off, I'll show that to you. There's a lot of bluing and gold in here. These are a single wall pipe. Before I take these off, I'm going to put my microphone over there. Let's do a sound check, because here, let me show you what we got. So these are used. These are Fishtail. These are Sharktails. They're a double wall. I think they're Vance Hines. I'm not for sure. Don't quote me. We'll figure that out in a minute. It's a double wall, so the pipe will be thicker. A little bit different than a fishtail. It's called a Sharktail. But let's open these up. Like I said, these are not brand new. These are used. This is a used pair of pipes. Just the hardware for them. I don't know if we'll need all that, but we'll see. Guess you got some Ralph Lauren shoes. Love you, Rich. Thank you. Oh, what's this? Support BFMC Racing. Booze Fighters MC Racing. Heck yeah! Thank you, brother. He did say one of these pipes had a little bit of damage where he backed up into a curb. Don't really care. Ooh, heat shield and everything on it. Oh, I see why. That bracket goes in, so this bracket evidently goes through there and then bolts onto there like that. So there we go. There's the pipes that we're going to be putting on. Pretty sweet. And that is a Vance Hines Fishtail. Straight one, straight pipe. So this is the other side. Let's get out this side. Before we start disassembling, let's do a sound check first, shall we? Let's go ahead and put our sound recorder here. Sound check. This is Amazon Fishtail pipe. All right, there's your completed sound check. Let's go ahead and get these pipes off. Get this pipe off and see how it goes together, and then we'll do the other side. First thing we're gonna do, real simple, 1/2 inch. I'm gonna loosen up these two bolts here. Put the extension on, make this a little easier. Then our clamp bolt. Alright, first pipe is off. Now let's look at it. Lots of heat turning at colors. You can see here lots of rust up inside there. Not a very quality pipe. These have about 30 to 35,000 miles on them. Oh yeah, I can see what he's talking about. That bent a little. We can fix that later. No big deal. Slide that out. this one is on. All right, Yogi Clint, that's it. I'm gonna do the other one off camera, but there you go. Let's come back in a minute and we'll do a sound check. They are now in, they are now on. And they look good too, I like them. The ends are a little scuffed up, but oh well. Let's do a sound check. Vance Hines Sharktail pipes, take 2. Honestly, Yogi Clan, they don't really sound a whole lot different. There is no baffle in there as far as I know. There could be. I don't think so. When I looked through there, I saw daylight straight through the other end, so it's pretty much an open pipe, just like the others were. But these are a double wall. They look a lot nicer. And the ends right here, a little bent up on them, but you know what? I don't really care. I don't really care. I like them. Let's throw the bags on. Let's go for a ride. Thank you for joining. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll catch you on the next video. All right, Yogi Kind. Peace.